cGMP training, current good manufacturing practices. FDA cGMP, QSR and ISO certifications. What is cGMP? cGMP stands for Current Good Manufacturing Practices. It covers all aspects of FDA's regulations on Current Good Manufacturing Practices or cGMP. Learn how cGMP will impact different phases of pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical and biologic development. Why cGMP is must-have for industry. cGMP refers to the Current Good Manufacturing Practice regulations enforced by the FDA. cGMPs provide for systems that assure proper design, monitoring, and control of manufacturing processes and facilities. cGMP keeps impact on different phases of pharmaceutical. cGMPs provide for systems that assure proper design, monitoring, and control of manufacturing processes and facilities. Tonex offers 3 days cGMP training course. At the course, you will have very good learning opportunities about cGMP. Learn about FDA's regulations on cGMP. How cGMP impacts different industrial production phases. cGMP key concepts and regulations and mandates. cGMP environment, procedures and processes, roles and responsibilities. cGMP course is designed for. It's designed for anyone who needs a good understanding of current good manufacturing practices. Engineers, PMs, quality assurance professional, quality control managers, regulatory affairs, auditors, production engineers and managers. cGMP course outlines. cGMP training got these outlines which can be customized to match your specific requirements. cGMP fundamentals. Revising standard operating procedures, SOPs. cGMP procedures and processes applied. Case studies. Practical exercises. Quizzes and exam. cGMP certification preparation. Want to learn more? Visit tonex.com for cGMP course, ISO certification in detail.